Just in case you need to know, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more. Every time I think I've lost my way, I fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more than before.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well, and hi guys if you're new here. So I hope you guys all enjoyed my last YouTube video. So this YouTube video is going to be weekend diaries. So I'm just currently at Adele's looking after Mabel and Marnie. She's throwing that dog. Anyway guys, how are you? It literally feels like I haven't picked up my camera and lots of days, to be honest. The last YouTube video that I've uploaded the other day is actually filmed ages ago. To take Mabel out for a walk. Hi guys, it is so beautiful outside today. I didn't actually realise how nice it was gonna be. Then, right guys, I'll see you guys when I get back to Adele's. I'm now back from taking Mabel out. I am absolutely boiling though. I've just come upstairs to make Adele's bed, and then I'm gonna go back downstairs and then I'm gonna actually go and sit outside in the garden. So let's go. Hi guys, I am now sat outside in the sunshine. It is lovely. I've got Marnie doing what she normally does in the shadows, and then I've just got Mabel laying in the shade. And it is really nice that the breeze is there, and I've just got a Pepsi Max farm out of the bed. I'm so glad that it's going to be like this weekend, because I'm not gonna lie. Got myself a yogurt. It's a corner yogurt. Then with the balls in. And I am now at home. I'm looking after Owen while my mum has gone out. So I'm just doing the dishwasher. Hi guys, I'm going to get my nails done. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I have spoken to you guys, and I am just gonna jump in the shower, get out, put my makeup on, and then find something to wear, and where's my potty? Let's go. Hi guys, it's now the next day, and today is our family party for Mommo. I'm just gonna put some perfume on. For some reason I've really been going to the Madonna exquisite. That was nice. I've got this dress on from Shein and sandals. I might get these ones. I mean, I have got one better one than that, but I'm eating back. I've got like loads in here. But and then my bag, I think I'm just gonna take my tote bag. So I'll see you guys when I get to my house.
You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommo. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
So I am now back from Adele's. To do is get in bed. So I'm just gonna take my cushion off my bed. I've got lots of stuff here that need to go away. I'm loving the nice summer weather. So I hope you guys watched this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys all in another video very soon. Bye guys.